In this video, I'm going to show you one of the best trend trading strategies on TradingView, and all you need is two indicators, and this works for stocks, forex, crypto, and on any time frame, whether you're scalping, intraday trading, or swing trading. So if you're ready to get started, hit that like button and let's go. But 1 second before we start, I want to mention one more thing. In this video, if we get 500 likes on this video, I'll be giving away $500 to one of my lucky subscribers. So if you want a chance to win 500 bucks, all you gotta do is subscribe and like this video. All right, let's get into it. All right, so for this trend trading strategy to actually work for you, you're gonna need two indicators, and these are the indicators that you need. You need Elite Algo version 26 and Elite Oscillator version 9. Now, these indicators are not available on the public library, but I'm gonna show you at the end of the video exactly how you guys can get them if you don't have access to them yet. So going started, for the first indicator, Elite Algo, you're going to need these specific settings. And in order to access the settings on Elite Algo, there's two simple ways that you can do it. Let me show you how. So what you want to do is simply hover over here where it says Elite Algo and click this gear icon. That's number one. The second way you can do it is simply on your chart, any of the buy and sell signals, just right click it and then go settings. It's going to bring you to the same settings area where you can adjust the settings for Elite Algo. Now, for the settings that you want to use yourself, under signal mode, you want to have it under smart signals only. Then what you want to do is make sure these two are checked on. Your signal tuner can be on 3. That's what I prefer. But if you want Elite Algo to recommend its own sensitivity for you, you can turn on the Elite Tuner option and then select one of these 3 presets. Again, this area is more preference, but I personally like trading on 3. So whatever you guys want to do for section, you guys can do that. There's no best sensitivity. It's mostly preference. Next, what you want to do is you want to turn on the trend helper, and then you want to turn on the enable take profit and stop loss recommendations. And the stop loss preset can be either tight or normal. I prefer tight, but again, this area is preference. And next, you can pick either 1, 2, or 3 take profit levels that appear right here. Again, preference for you. I like keeping it on 2. But we're also going to show you exactly when you're going to want to be taking your profits, even if they did not hit the green lines that you see over here. And lastly, the last feature that you need turned on the settings area is the market panel. So you want to make sure this is turned on. You want to make sure that the size is big enough so you guys can see it. It's going to appear right here in the top corner. If you prefer in the left corner, you can move this box around. This doesn't really matter, but I like having mine in the top right. Now, as for the Elite Oscillator, what you want to do is, again, if you want to enter the settings for it, just go over here, click the gear icon, and what you want to do on this one is you want to make sure that it's under confirmation mode, and then just press OK. So your chart will look exactly like mine does right now. Okay, now we can get into the trading strategy. So for this trading strategy, you can use any time frame that you like. So right now I'm looking at the 4-hour time frame, but if you're more of a scalper, you can use the 1 minute, 3 minute, or 5 minute time frame. Or if you're an intraday trader, you can use the 15-minute, 30-minute time frame. It's really up to you. Just one thing I would recommend is that if you're a beginner trader and you're looking to trade in the markets, it is a lot easier to trade on a swing trading time frame, so the 1 hour or the 4-hour time frame, than it is to scalp. Do not get overly excited by wanting to trade on the 1 minute if you have no experience trading. This is very important. If you are a new trader, I recommend staying on the 1 hour or 4-hour time frame and practice swing trading until you have a good profit. Then you can lower the time frame and gradually get to that 1 minute time frame if you want to start scalping. But do not start scalping right away if you're a new trader. There is only one exception that you can use in order to trade on a smaller time frame if you're a new trader, and that is if you have a very small account. I'm talking like $20 or $50. Then what you want to do is you want to go on this website right here, and then you want to use this tool to calculate how much you should be risking on your trades. So because if you have a small account, you'll be trading a 0.01 lot size. If you're trading Forex, you cannot use that on a 4-hour time frame because you would lose too much money if it hits your stop loss. So that's the only time that you're allowed to scalp, is if you have a very small account. But even if you're an advanced trader or intermediate trader, you should always be using a position size tool just like this one to calculate what 1% or 2% would be if you're taking a trade. Now, let's get started into the video. The strategy is very, very simple, guys. What you want to do is you want to only follow the smart buy signals. Because we turned off the regular signals, this is all the signals that you should see on your chart. So that's check number 1. Number 2 is you want to make sure that if you're taking a smart buy signal, you want to make sure that the trend helper, this little green line right here, is also green. So for example, these two buy signals right here that we see, we would not take because we have a red trend right here, right? We want to make sure that we have our confirmations in check. The next thing you guys want to do is you want to make sure that if you're buying, that all the time frames here are green. If they are mixed, you want to completely ignore. And if they are all red, then you want to be looking for short positions. So only taking these smart sell signals. And the last thing, guys, is you want to make sure that the confirmation mode is also green. So for example, we again do not take these trades, even though that this is green and this may have been, not sure past what it was, but because this red line here is present, we do not take these signals. These signals right here would have all been winning trades that we could have taken. Even this smart sell right here. And over here, we would ignore this one, but we would take this trade right here. Very, very simple strategy that you guys can follow. And I'm going to show you guys also how you guys can't miss an opportunity doing this. So one cool thing about Elite Algo is there's actually a way to never miss one of these signals and never miss an opportunity in the market. So one way you can create an alert for yourself to notify you every single time there's a signal on your chart is simply go to the chart that you want to use, go to the time frame that you want to trade. Then what you want to do is simply right click one of these buy signals, add alert. Then over here on the second box, you just want to make sure that you activate smart buy. Then over here, once per bar, and then you can just create your message, whatever you want to do. So right now it just says smart buy. So on GBP USD. And then your notifications, how would you want to be notified? In the app, do you want to pop up? Do you want to send an email or a webhook? You pretty much name it. Then you just hit create. And then every single time that there is an alert, you're going to get a notification so you never miss an opportunity. Now, when you see a signal that you like and you want to enter that trade because you have all the confirmations in place, there is a mistake that I see a lot of beginners make, and that is they are taking the trade way too late. You only want to take the trade if it's at the entry line where the signal was given. So for example, over here on this trade, we want to take the trade right here, guys. This is where you want to take the trade. You do not take the trade over here or over here. This is not where you want to take the trade. If you miss this opportunity, you simply just have to wait for the next signal. It's that simple. Do not take a trade that's already happened. Okay. Now, for your take profit, what you want to do is you take profit either when it hits TP1 or TP2. But if you get a red X, like you see right here on these, you have to close your position. Close your position, or at least close half your position and move your stop loss to break even. Doing this can make sure that you almost never lose and you'll have a very, very high win rate with this strategy. So for example, right here, if we took this buy signal right there, we would exit over here. If we took this buy signal right here, we would exit over here or over here. Okay? This trade right here, we'd exit here. Very, very, very simple to follow this strategy. And that's pretty much it. Now, in order to use this indicator right here that I'm showing you on my screen, what you need to do is simply go to this website right here, elitesignals.com, and sign up for the membership. And you'll get access to the indicators, but you'll also get access to our VIP Discord server. If you want to join the Discord server before you pay, before you sign up and ask our members how they like it, you can simply do that as well. All you got to do is go here where it says join Discord, and it's going to bring you straight into our Discord server. And then from there, these are all the different channels on the left that you can pick from. So for example, this right here would be like all the top signals that are given. Over here, we have our profits. So our members posting profits about them using Elite Algo. So this guy right here made over 2,700% on one trade. And you can see people are posting these profits every single day. Like this guy right here, he's probably using a demo account, but he seems to be winning a lot. And you can see this guy right here getting pretty good trades out of this indicator as well. And you can go back to the bottom here and you can see where we offer signals, just like Forex signals right here, where we have people posting signals almost every single week, like this guy who posted a signal and then it hit his first take profit. So if you want access to these signals that are posted in our Discord server, and you want access to this indicator right here that I just showed you that's incredible for trend trading, then all you're going to do is simply, again, just go on our website, elitesignals.com, and simply sign up right there. Other than that, guys, again, if you like this video and we get 500 likes, we will be giving away $500 to one of our lucky subscribers. So don't forget to do that. And other than that, if you have any questions, leave them down in the comment below, and have yourselves a good day.